Yeah, can I start?
तब आपको देख लेना है कि हाँ हाँ अब अगला
So, okay, sorry for that. It upgraded again. So I was telling about the time thieves. So it happens just like we tell students, but actually we are also like that only. We used to see our WhatsApp messages. We are glued towards to the social media, and we always keep on telling, अरे time ही नहीं है, अरे मैं कैसे करूँ, I don't have a time, ऐसा ही नहीं है, वैसा ही नहीं है, I am so busy, I am so busy. But it is actually not. If you are passionate about something, you can definitely take out time, you can spare that time, you can cut from your WhatsApp messages, or if you are just having a habit of looking at them, or social media or emails checking and something, or maybe possible the Netflix shows which you are glued to it every day, it's a regular, or it's some TV shows which you are glued at, you want to see regularly, you used to see at that particular time. Cut, you need to cut on that, okay, because you are going to give a birth to a baby, and when you are going to give a birth to your baby, you are totally devoted to that, isn't that? So your book is just your baby which you are going to give birth. Am I clear
It's
over here?
beautifully said. It's said beautifully.
Thank you, thank you. So it's something you need to fully devote on it. Read, and some more read. Before, it may be a fiction, it may be a non-fiction, it may be a subjective book. You need to have a deep knowledge about it. You need to have a, you need on that particular topic, you need to read more and more and more. It may be an article, it may be a book or anything, but you should be having fully equipped with the knowledge what you are going to tell the audience. And it's nothing wrong if you are taking the ideas from those books, but you need to understand that you need to give your own words to that particular topic. Something, see, parenting, if I have written something not new, I have written, every parent may be aware about it, isn't that? But I have written in my own words. If you are writing on parenting, you will give your own words to it. So it's the more important is that how you are giving word to that particular topic or to that particular idea. So it is, that is why it is important that you read more, so that you can get more reading or thoughts in your mind while writing. Yeah, definitely you need to be patient, to not rush to an end कि कैसे भी बस finish कर दूं और मैं 4th chapter पे पहुंच गई हूं, now I need to finish it off. Don't do that, because ending is very important as your beginning is. Because the, see, what readers will read, they will read the first 2 lines and they will understand, yes, this is something very important, I need to go further. They will be finding interesting and they just keep on glued to it and they want to read further. And in the same way, they are also excited about the ending, how you have end your work. So it is, please do not rush for it. Have the end, good ending to it, maybe a fiction or maybe a subjective. You need to give your own commandments to it. So if there is no commandments from your side, then the reader will think that same thing is being repeated, and this I have read over there also, what is new in this book. So you need to give your own commandments in the endings. Find mentor, coach to get motivated. And here it is something I realized when I did this course. I realized, yes, something is required to make you motivated. See, just like the teachers, how the students work. If the teachers are not there, you may also understand now the how it is difficult to make the children motivated in this online process. Why? Because there is no physical touch in them. In the same way, just imagine if there is no online process. How the can children only, if you provide them with the books, can they read? Can they understand? No, they will not, because they are not motivated by the teachers. If they're showing you some small work, you are appreciating them, you are more motivating them to make to write more or to do something more better in that. isn't that? So you are giving your feedbacks to it. So coach and mentor will help in the same manner. They will motivate you where you are stuck. They will help you to give you feedbacks. And definitely here, I just want to tell you one line. No coach, no mentor will tell your or assess your work, because as I just informed about the baby you are going to give birth. जब आप किसी बच्चे को जन्म देने जा रहे हो, nobody is having a right to tell उसका नाक खराब है, उसका कान खराब है, उसका हाथ खराब है. Nobody is having that right. Okay, because you are giving birth to that baby. So there is no one to judge your work. It is your work, but the feedback in the sense like where you are feeling stuck, where you are feeling that no, I'm not, I'm no more, you are in a urge of or in a verge of just giving up. At that time, your mentor or your coach is motivating you and telling you, no, you can go in this manner. He can or she can give you some motivating words about you, can give you a feedback on your work. And then again, you are recharged and you start writing again.
It's
Okay,
like taking a booster dose or something like,
yes,
you know,
yeah.
supplements.
Of
Yes.
course. Okay, so that is where you need the mentor. Now, what you are not required to do, these are called as don'ts of the book writing. Don't be afraid of bad draft. So as I said, it is your baby and you are only having a right to just edit or just revise your work. Nobody else is going to give a feedback on that this work is not done in a better manner. It happens. We are not professionals. Okay, we are not perfect in that area. If I have written one book, it's not that I became a perfect in that. Maybe my second book may be much better. Maybe my third book may be more better and polished. But do not afraid of your bad draft, because somewhere you have to start. So if you are not even starting, there are people, okay, just imagine that there are teachers, there are people, those who are having a good vocabulary, they are masters in English, but they have not written a single word. Okay, so you are much better to them, isn't that? So do not afraid of bad draft. Don't hold yourself back from starting over. So if you're thinking if you keep on thinking, "Arey nahi, pata nahi acha hai ki nahi hai, ye likhu nahi likhu," then what? You will not be able to write. So stop everything. Just, I call them as a dogs. Please, your fears are your dogs. Set them apart and work on it. They keep on barking on you. So set them apart, shut them down and start and move forward. Don't keep your work hidden. Okay, see, what does it mean? Like if you have written something, I'm not saying that you share with everyone. No, it's not that. The people are there who can take your ideas and can make their ideas and can promote everywhere. So I'm not, but the people to whom you can trust, it may be a coach, it may be a mentor, it can be your family members whom you can show, see, I have written this much. Can you tell me how it is sounding? Can you tell me any feedback? So please do not keep your work hidden. Until and unless you're sharing with the people whom you trust, you'll not be able to judge yourself. I'm not asking them to judge you, but your work is not. If they are giving you some criticism, if they are giving you some feedbacks, take it positively. Because like this, we are going to improve. We are not like, we are perfect, that whatever we have written is perfect. It's not that. And your family members or your mentors or your coach will never tell lie to you. So take their criticism, take their feedbacks positively. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Now, if you're stuck somewhere, why don't you share your ideas with your friends? Here, what can be? Like for an example, you have, means again, you are going to give a birth to a baby. Now you are stuck with some disease or something. Now you are keeping it with you. So you are not sharing with the doctor what you are going through. You are not sharing with your mother-in-laws or with some elder. Then you are only one who is facing that problem. Until and unless maybe they're having some idea, it's normal, it happens better, you can do this way, and then you are normal again. So it is something like that. Don't give someone else the lead. Now, it doesn't mean that you are sharing your ideas and you are asking for their help. It doesn't mean that you are giving them a right to lead. Here I mean to say that many people will give you suggestions. Many people will give you advice. India is famous for that, only the free advices you will get. But you only will decide at what advice you need to take and what not. So do not give someone else the lead to your work. Okay, you are the master of it, and you need to decide what is right for you, which advice you need to take, which advice you not have to take, and this advice will work with you, this advice will not work with you. So you are the masters of it. Don't write only for money. It is maybe a myth that people think that if you are writing, it thinks that you are just want to write for a money, so you want to be a bestseller of author. Automatically it will not happen. It may happen, you can be a best author, best seller of your book after some time, may be possible. Okay, but do not just write to become famous, or do not just write to make money out of it. So your intentions, if you're pure, you want to give some information to the people, if you want to address some problem to the society, then definitely you are going to give something to the society, then definitely you are going to achieve something from the society. So this is all about that do's and don'ts of the right. I'm just going to tell you about my writing course, which I have just planned for you all. Okay, so it is just join your writing book course. I just want you all to just keep your eye on this. So course duration will be 6 weeks. Total program duration will be 6 weeks. Live classes in a week will be 2 classes, which will be recorded. But here I just want to tell, I want everybody to be live, and then only your work will be better. Because if you are absent every time, then you are missing some discussion sort of things, which is not being recorded. Total number of live classes will be 12. In the 6 weeks, the 12 classes, total number of classes will be 12. Now here this course details will be what you are going to gain from this course. You are able to identify your success codes. That is something related to their mental codes. You are able to identify your niche, which I talked about, that you need to have a fixed idea about it, and then you have to narrow it down to the certain topic. Blueprint of your book, how to write, how to have an outline of your book. You will learn about it, blueprint of your book. Tools to write and edit your book. There are certain tools which you help you to write and edit your book. Share your thoughts, and definitely you will get a group of people where you can share your thoughts, and you can get the right community to discuss your thoughts over there, which nobody is going to steal your thoughts or ideas, but they will share theirs and you will be sharing yours. And along with it, I will also be giving you tools and techniques to get focused, how to be focused at your work, and mind gym. You will be aware about the mind gym in this course itself. The course price, which according to is like 250 per session, that is 3,000. If you enroll now, you'll get 500 rupees off. So avail this course for 2,500 only. Here are my details of bank details or Paytm. You can reach out to me if you want to avail this course. So this is all about this budding authors. Thanks.
Please share the previous slide once again, madam.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any questions now? I'm ready to take the questions. Anybody wants to ask anything? I'm just stop sharing my screen. Yeah. If you want, I will post my bank details and Paytm number in the group itself. So from where you can pay. Anybody wants to ask any question, you are free to ask.
Is it going to be like a one-on-one basis, or is it going to be like a group?
No, it will be a group. Like so, like if it is a group is more, then after the session, live sessions, may be possible if the group members are more, because it is the first I am going to start with this course. Maybe possible I'll get 1 person, maybe possible I'll get 2 person. So I don't know how many of you will enroll. but I want to give this idea to everyone in a very nominal price. So I started with this course, and if it is only a small group, and that particular group will be the part of it. If the group is big, then after
Like how
discussion,
big? How big do you think it's too big?
it is if the members are 8 to 10, so then it is a single group. Okay, because you need the members to discuss. If you find difficulty, then I'll take the suggestions also that you are not able to getting any chance to discuss your views, then it will be shortened to, or it will be reduced to 4 to 5. Okay, ideally the group should be 6 or 8.
Another thing, like, is it like a particular time that you're going to start, or is
Yeah.
it going to be later?
No, it will be a particular time. I will be having a recordings of it. In any case, you need to give me the solid reason that you are not able to join in, because the reason behind is that you will be motivated through the live sessions only. And that is why I'm keeping no video recordings. I'm keeping the live sessions. Otherwise, you will be seeing the videos at your pace, and then again you are procrastinating on it, and you are not submitting your work on time. So it will go like this. Like in the first session, I will be telling you that how to identify your success codes and all, and then the second you will be submitting me there, or you are discussing with that, or we are having a discussion in the group. So you are getting more ideas about it. If it is just a recording, then definitely you will not be gaining much from it. I'll be sharing because you will be paying to me, so I will be accountable for that I have to share my recordings, and definitely I'll do that. But you need to give me the solid reason that why you are not able to join that particular live class. That is for your benefit only.
Like, what will be the timings of these live classes?
I will take suggestions from the people, from the group members, those who will enroll. I'll try my best to keep it in the evening so that maximum people may join.
That's fine. So because in our place here, the school timings will extend till 6:30.
6:30 evening?
Yes.
So no issues. I'll keep it at 7 to 8. No issues in that. Hi, Pooja. I hope you have be there. You were there in this session.
I was there. Actually, I was driving. It was a long drive, but I didn't want to miss your webinar. So that is why my camera was off. Otherwise, I never attend any of the webinar with my camera off.
Okay.
So the moment I reached home, I immediately log in into my laptop so that I can, I was having a couple of queries to ask.
Yeah, sure.
First of all, Preeti ma'am, appreciating you. Really, it was informative. And for me, it was more inspiring. I mean, of course, yes, it was informative, but yes, it was more inspiring for me. So thank you for that.
Thank you.
It really boosts me up because I was actually wanting to go for this space. So anyways, cutting it short, Preeti ma'am, just wanted to know this. Once the book is written, the way of publishing, what it should be like. We have many of the publishers in the market who approach you, right? Once you just connect with them. So what do you suggest for that?
See, I throughout my session, whether it is editing, whether it is your tools, it will be all, I will tell you the tools which will be free of cost. You will not be paying any single penny to them. Okay, and then coming to the publishing, it will be completely again the free of cost. And I believe in the Amazon, that is a e-publishing, Kindle one, and then the paperback also. You can also order the hard book, but I think for the hard book, you need to pay something. But yes, everybody is free to approach the publishers if they are in their contacts. But why not? Why to waste money in your first publish? First, learn and publish your first book free of cost. And then you can go to any publishers to publish that.
Okay, I mean to say, like, then where do you suggest that where it can be published?
Kindle, Amazon.com. That is, it will be the entire
throughout
the world. Yeah, throughout the world, people can. And Amazon.in in India region, everybody can avail your book.
Okay.
And paperback also. So paperback, you can ask your author book also. Once a paper book is being published. So my paperback is being into process, and my e-book is already being published. And in both the platforms, there are many publishers. those who are asking me, but I am not going for that publishing. There are many other Notion publishing and all. Then Lulu is one where you can go for. But I recently, through my platform, I'll be telling you about the that is Kindle book and paperback. So the entire procedure I will tell you in my session, that how you can publish.
Thank you so much, Pritima.
And definitely it is a free of cost. You'll not be paying any penny to any publishers for it. Anybody else? Thank you, Abhishek, for your comment. Yes, Nancy.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I'm very informative.
Thank you.
The thing is now, like the school wherein I'm working for right now, so we are in a process of writing our own textbooks. So I am a social science teacher, and
Okay.
we just finished writing down the entire 6th standard social science, and likewise there are other subjects also being written. So ma'am, just wanted to know one thing. Now there are, for CBSE, of course, there are so many publishers available and all. So somewhere, like as you said, once we are writing down, so we are asked to go through the plagiarism test also, so that we are aware whether, but then certain things cannot be avoided. Like there are certain words, certain quotations, which cannot be avoided. So they have to be included. So can you just guide me? Like now, since I have to start writing with the 8th standard, they are having modern history. So how do we, just go about, like it should be more towards understanding level of the children also, plus a little bit more informative.
See, first of all, can you come back the last point, what you said?
How can it be more informative, more than the textbook? Of course, CBSE textbook provides a lot, but still a little bit extra that we can give what we have studied, so that we can give it to the children.
See, one thing, Nancy, you can do is you can include.
Ma'am, ask Seema, Mrs.
Sorry,
Seema
do it
to, I
first.
don't know who she is. There's a lot of disturbance.
Yeah, Pritima, just mute.
Just
500 रुपए में क्या क्या हो जाएगा ये तो बहुत ज्यादा है तो ना हेयर कट की 250 लगा लो प्लीज नहीं हो सकता मैम अरे भैया मैं हमेशा यही आती हूँ
Oh my God. Reena is also not muted. Okay. Fine. So yeah, Nancy, a good one that you are writing for your school. First of all, if you are writing any quotations, means like if you're writing any references where you need to give a reference, do give the reference. If you want to jot down the same as it is, like for an example, if any quote you want to take, please give the name of that author or some writer. Okay. As it is, you can write with the name as a reference. So there you do not have to go for the plagiarism check and all, because it is taking as a author's name. Second thing, you can include more of the stories in it as like relevant stories. Like for an example,
Like-
you want to tell
Like
about
the case studies.
Pardon?
The case studies that
Case
are
studies.
there.
Yes, case studies. Okay.
Okay.
Or you can also search. There are now many apps which tells the story, which are about the stories, and then you can definitely go with the audio of that book. Okay, where the children can actually hear that, because now we need to work on the multiple intelligence. So as we all are aware about the multiple intelligence, so why don't you ask your school that whatever the book I am writing, there should be an audio version also of it, or a podcast of that particular topic. Okay.
Okay.
So that in this manner also you can go. And definitely the pictures, if you're writing for the 8th graders, whether they are though they are of 13-14 years, but everybody loves the pictures. Try to make it little colorful pictures, and try to convince your school authorities that in spite of black and white, please go for the colored pictures, because it really attracts the children.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sorry for keeping the video off. I have my little one with me, then he would be a distraction. So that's why I just kept the video off.
It's okay. Yeah.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah, welcome. Kirti is asking me, will you be guiding us on ISBN? You see, ISBN is something, if you're going with a Kindle paperback only, you will be reading, requiring this ISBN. This is some certain particular number, which is a number of your book. Okay. So it's just like a copywriting, so nobody else can copy it. So if you're going with the Kirti with a paperback, then you require this ISBN. Now you can purchase this ISBN and you can publish with any publisher. But if you want to go with a free publishing, then you can ask for their provide you with the ISBN number. So Kindle will provide you with the ISBN and you need not have to pay anything to them. But you are restricted to the Kindle only. You cannot publish anywhere else with that particular ISBN. Okay. If it's not including any ISBN, then you can go with any publishers.
1 second, ma'am. You were telling something about, audio one, like podcast or something. Now, in case being a writer, you publish something, and can we even go for this audio one?
Yeah, of course.
Along
but
with
it is
it.
little bit costly, Krishna ji. It is a bit costly. So I haven't searched about the audio free app for it, though the podcast can be there, and you can make a different series, you can say. Like we have a series of book. Now, in this manner, the audio, if you're not going the entire book as an audio clipping, then you can go for the podcast and particular topics, or the chapter wise, you can make a podcast of it. So that is again the free of the podcast. It will go in the Anchor and it will be published in the Spotify automatically. Yes, Pooja?
Yeah. Priti ma'am, just wanted to know one more thing. In case the person like me, like as I have very less time, although all of us, we have very less time to do all this stuff, but certainly every one of us is very aspiring to do, right? So people like us, what would you suggest that how to start for it? Certainly we cannot go for, 100 pages book in a very first go. So is there any other way out wherein we can just go for any small book or with less pages or something like that? What is this? What can be the genre in it which we can put in?
See, for like the beginners, I'll say the ideal book pages can be of you can say 15,000 words. Okay, characters you can say, because
that carries to how many pages?
Like you can divide your chapters in a manner like each chapter to be of 3,000 to 4,000 words. Okay. So like it will include if you go for the Word file, so it will be of 45 pages to 40 pages. It can be less also. There is no issue in that. Okay. But sometimes it happens that particular pages are required when you publish. Like if you go for the paperback, so it will not take until and unless it is having 100 pages. So now how you can increase your pages, like if you have written 45 pages book, but when you are publishing it as a paperback, maybe it is giving you that message that your book is of less pages number, then you can increase the font size. The ideal font size is 12 to 14. So the heading should be of 14 and your entire subject it should be of 12. So when you increase your font size, then definitely the pages will increase. First thing is that. Then you can ask any of your friend or any of the expert you are in contact with to write a foreword for your book. Okay, so it will increase. Then you can ask your friends to write a testimonies for you. So in this all I'm going to tell in my this course only, that how you can increase the pages if you are having book pages less to it, so that how you can manage to that. And definitely if you are still finding it like you are not able to publish because it's showing the less number of pages, then you can include the case studies or the stories of that particular topic. Any real life stories, or it can be a makeup stories. So any stories, so like this you can increase. And one thing you said that you are having a less time, just make it regular. See, Pooja, it's not that
that-
there is
that I
something like
understood,
that
that I
you have to go in 3 months or within a month or
Mhm.
within a 10 days.
Exactly.
Go slow, but it should be something good. So you just write small paragraphs. I know how busy you are. You can go with a one paragraph, but make it a routine. That is very important. Make it that every day, what may happen that you have to write it. Every day you are going to write. That's it. So you will able to make it.
And like, can we just simply start it typing on simple Google Sheet?
Yeah,
Is it okay?
you can use Google Docs, you can use Google Sheets, you can use Microsoft Word. I typed on Microsoft Word.
On Microsoft Word, just A4 size
A4
sheet.
size,
That is
A4
enough?
size, yes. Okay, and there only you can margin, means like set your margins and all to your Word file. Na? So it's easy to upload also.
Is there any margin limit also, like which
Yeah,
needs to be
margin
taken?
as such, when you publish, they will ask you, you can trim then and there only. So there's when I'll teach you about in the course, like how to trim. So then automatically it will trim and it will set. You can go for extra one also, like if you are making a children book, then children book is little larger because children used to love to have a big fonts and all, big pictures and all. So that is little bit larger. Otherwise, size is 6:9. If it is a 79 to 80 pages, 6:9 is ideal size.
Okay. One more thing, Pratibha. As Matthew sir told us, like, suppose if we are to do some webinars, right? We have a certain sites where we can explore that which sort of topics are required more in
Yeah, yeah.
market
Mhm.
to express. Do you suggest any sort of sites wherein we can explore that what sort of material is required in the book market,
See,
so that we can have an idea of some
that is the
topic
what we Matthew sir told us in the Google trend na, that you can see there only, because certain trends, like, see, what we cannot write anything with a trend also, Pooja. This is just for the name, saying that you can go with the trend. You cannot write anything with a trend also until and unless you are passionate about it. So you need to think that
that's
what
for
you
sure.
want to write. That's it.
another point.
Yeah, that comes from your heart, that I want to address this problem of the society. I want to write on this. I want to write this story. So it should come from your heart. Then only you will be able to write fast also, and you will be able to write also. So it's just for the saying
for
only
sure.
that you can search for the trend, but I'll not suggest personally for that. You can go for the trends and all. But until and unless it comes from your heart, you won't be able to write. How much you will copy from others? Na? It should come from your heart also.
Yeah, sure. For that, sure.
Complete his work. What to complete his work and publish it on his behalf? What will be the procedure of publishing it? I mean, I'm not able to read the full chat. Who has written this? Can you please unmute yourself?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my brother was writing his book,
Mhm.
and he's no more. So his work is entirely incomplete. I want to complete his work and want to publish it on his behalf. So
Okay.
I want to ask that who will be the author? Will it be able to get published under his name, or
No.
what will be the procedure like?
But you can write with his name only. Okay. You can publish. It can be dedicated to anyone, but you cannot publish on your name. Okay. Yeah, you can publish on his behalf. That is something else. There is no hard and fast that who has written only can publish. You can publish your brother's book, but it should be with his name only. That will be correct also.
Yes, I want his name only to be there. So okay, so authors and in the author's name, his name will be there.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anybody else? Okay, so if we are done, anybody else, any questions? Otherwise, yes, Manju.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a collection of poem
Mm-hmm.
that is written by my children,
Mm-hmm.
my students. I want to publish that. What can I do?
Yes, you can do, ma'am. What you need to do is that you need to compile those in that Word file, okay? And then there is a process of
uh,
publishing that you need to follow.
just I uploaded in Canva. Do you know
No,
the
no,
app?
no. Canva is just for the means like you cannot publish anything on Canva.
Not published, just I uploaded that application, and just I will send you that link, ma'am, personally.
Acha, so you do one thing, ma'am. Better on Canva, you can compile your book and you can send it in the save it in the Google Drive. Okay, and then send me the
Okay,
link.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, that will be much
Okay.
better.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, anybody else? Okay, so shall we end this? Okay, thank you everyone for joining in. I hope this has helped you a lot. So I will be sharing my bank details. If anybody wants to enroll, can enroll.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.